This is Bob Johnson's Computer Stuff, and if you're looking for an online Toughbook community that gives tips, tricks, and support, hit the subscribe and bell button for all of our upcoming videos. Today, I'll be upgrading or replacing the RAM in your Durabook R11 tablet. First thing you want to do is flip the unit over and remove the battery. This one already has the battery removed. Now there are about 20 screws that need to be removed altogether, 16 on the back plate. And 4 on the top here. Once you remove that bottom plate, you'll have access to the memory. And now you can add another or replace. Since this one's all good, I'll put that right back. And you just want to make sure all the screws are in the right places. And you just want to make sure all the screws are in the right places and the back cover is put back properly. And you're all set. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, you can leave below.